Cats are renowned for their hunting instincts, and one of the most intriguing behaviors exhibited by domestic cats is the clicking or chattering noise they often make when they spot birds or other prey animals. This noise, which can vary in intensity and duration, is not only a vocalization but also a significant behavioral response rooted in a cat's natural predatory drive. The clicking sound is typically a high-pitched, rapid noise made by a cat's teeth, often accompanied by a focused stare, twitching tail, and other signs of intense concentration. To understand why cats make this clicking noise, it's essential to explore the evolutionary roots of feline hunting behavior and how this instinct manifests in a domestic environment. The clicking noise is believed to be an expression of the cat's frustration or excitement. When a cat spots a bird or other small prey from a distance, its predatory instincts are immediately triggered. In the wild, cats rely on stealth and precision to close in on their prey. However, when they are indoors or unable to physically hunt, the frustration of being unable to pursue the prey can manifest in the clicking sound. This vocalization may also serve as a form of tension release, as the cat's body remains in a state of readiness, poised for an action it cannot take. Another theory is that the clicking noise mimics the sound of a bird's or small animal's movements, especially when a cat is watching birds fluttering around. Some experts suggest that the clicking could be a form of communication, either to other cats or to the prey itself, signaling the cat's intent or frustration. In a similar vein, some believe that the clicking noise serves as a way for the cat to express excitement or enthusiasm about the hunt. In this context, the sound could be an involuntary vocalization tied to the cat's excitement over the prospect of catching prey, even though it cannot physically carry out the act. From a neurological standpoint, the clicking sound might also be linked to the brain's reward system. In cats, the act of hunting and catching prey triggers the release of certain neurotransmitters that produce feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. In domestic cats, who may not have the opportunity to engage in hunting behaviors regularly, the clicking noise could represent an outlet for this built-up energy and anticipation. In some cases, the clicking behavior may be more pronounced in certain breeds of cats, particularly those with a strong instinctual drive for hunting. Breeds like the Abyssinian, Bengal, and Maine Coon are known for their high energy and predatory behaviors, and their inclination to produce clicking sounds may be stronger due to their genetic predisposition to hunt. Interestingly, the clicking noise may also have a role in the cat's ability to focus on prey. Cats are known for their exceptional vision, particularly in low-light conditions. And their sharp focus on a potential target is an essential part of their hunting strategy. The clicking sound could be a byproduct of this intense concentration, with the cat's mouth movements mirroring its heightened state of alertness. While the clicking sound is often associated with birds, cats will also make similar noises when they spot small mammals or insects. The difference lies in the intensity of the response. Cats tend to exhibit more pronounced chattering when they see birds because of the movement and the challenge that birds represent as prey. Cats' interest in birds also ties into their instinctual drive to hunt prey that is both elusive and capable of flight. Finally, the clicking sound may be a form of practice for hunting, even in the absence of actual prey. Cats, particularly young kittens, often engage in play that mimics hunting behaviors. The clicking noise might be a vocalization that occurs during this play, as the cat practices the skills necessary for capturing live prey. This play behavior is essential for the development of hunting skills in wild environments, and even domestic cats retain the instinct to practice these behaviors, albeit in a context where actual hunting is not feasible. In conclusion, the clicking noises that cats make when they see birds are a multifaceted behavior deeply rooted in their predatory instincts. The noise may be a result of frustration, excitement, or even a form of practice. Whether it is an involuntary vocalization in response to an unsatisfied hunting instinct or a manifestation of the cat's intense focus, the clicking sound is a clear reflection of the feline's complex relationship with its environment and its intrinsic drive to hunt. Understanding this behavior not only helps cat owners better interpret their pets' actions but also deepens our appreciation of the sophisticated natural instincts that shape feline behavior.